Hello dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind this is a general love reading. It might or might not resonate with you. And this is a reading from 22nd of July till 31st of July. Wow. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah. So keep in mind the roles can be reversed any times, okay? And this might or might not resonate with you because this is journal. Okay, let's start. Aries, let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is okay. The cards are jumping just like that. So right now your partner's current energy is Aries. Your partner's current energy is the Fool. So I feel like right now your partner is getting ready to have a brand new beginning in their life. Or it could also be possible that they are getting ready to start this connection all over again with you. Okay, this could also be possible. But that is a non-committal energy. They want to start this connection all over again with you. They want to start this journey with you. But this is non-committal energy. They don't want to, think about the future or think about the past. They just want to be in the present with you. Enjoy the present moments with you. This is the thing. So let's clarify. Might be they are just starting their journey on their own for something else. Let's clarify the Fool in their current energy. Aries, let's see. Okay, this is the Eight of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. Eight of Wands, Three of Cups, and Eight of Swords. So yeah, this person wants to communicate with you. They want to have a reconciliation with you, and they want to start this connection all over again with you. But they are very conflicted, very conflicted whether to reach you or not. This is their current energy. They want to reach you. They want to start this connection all over again with you. They want to have a reconciliation with you. They want to communicate with you, have a reconciliation, and again they are conflicted. They are mentally conflicted, very conflicted, that how to reach you, how to talk to you. This is what their current energy is. Let's see what's your current energy, Aries. Your current energy right now is Aries. Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so Aries, I feel like right now you are busy making money. Right now you are just focusing on your money, on your business, on your personal things, like very personal things. Okay, you can say the professional things, and for some of you it is like healing yourself from something, making making a schedule to go to gym, or just making yourself looking good and feeling good. And for some of you, it is like just focusing on your money, on your business right now, and your job right now. Okay, let's clarify why the cards are jumping like frogs today. Okay, Two of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and the Tower. Fuck. Sorry. So you are focusing yourself, you are trying to focus on the money, on the business thing right now, because you are completely off, completely closed off emotionally. You are on the crossroads. You are not able to understand what is happening with you. And somebody betrayed you. Somebody betrayed you very badly, and you are feeling like somebody left you out in the cold, hanging on the wall, and they didn't give you any kind of reason. There was a breakup. There was a sudden breakup. There was a shocking thing that happened to you. This breakup shocked you completely. This breakup made you feel like shit, and that's why you're trying to focus on your money, on your business, on your work. That's why you are just trying to shift your focus on that thing. As of now, this is your current energy. I can see the pain that you're going through right now. I can feel the pain that you're going through right now, Aries. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you. Okay, let's see what this person feels for you, Aries. Queen of Wands, they are highly attracted to you. They are highly passionate about you. That this is what they are feeling for you. Their feelings are of sexual, and they are. I don't know how to say this, Aries, but I feel like this person is feeling like they should have sex with you. They should bang you. This is what they are feeling right now. This is Queen of Wands. It is a very flirty energy, very naughty energy, and all they want right now is a good sex. They feel like they should have a good sex with you. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands. Might be this could also mean that they want to travel the world with you or explore new things with you. This could also be possible. It's not all about sex. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands as what they feel for you. The Magician, the World, and the Nine of Cups. So I feel like right now this person is feeling like they should manifest an ending to the past. They are manifesting an ending to the past situation, and they want to have a brand new beginning with you, and that is their wish fulfillment, to connect with you again and to have a passionate start with you. See, I told you they are not planning for any kind of commitment and or marriage, but they are feeling like they should have a passionate and intense chemistry with you, and you guys should just start this connection all over again. Okay, and they feel very passionate about you, very highly attracted towards you, physically attracted towards you. This is what they are feeling for you, Aries. Let's see what this person wants from you till the 31st of July. Let's see what this person wants from you, Aries. Forgiveness, judgment, reconciliation. Again, this person wants a judgment. So if they are assessing what they did in the past, and they want a forgiveness from you, and they want to start this connection all over again. So from their side, I feel like the energy is of reconciliation and only, but non-committal. Reconciliating but non-committal. What they want from you is to forgive them and give them a second chance and start this connection all over again. This is what they want from you. They want a rebirth in this connection. They want to leave the past in the past and start this connection all over again. They don't want to think about the past or think about the future. Let's clarify the judgment card in as what they want from you. What kind of forgiveness that they are looking for. High Priestess, the Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. Again, it's all about a brand new beginning with you, Aries. This is all what they want. So I feel like their intuition is telling them that they should ask for forgiveness from you. This is what they feel like. Their intuition is just making them. Their intuition is just pushing them to come towards you, to go towards you, and ask for forgiveness and start this connection all over again. They want to have a passionate new beginning, and they want to leave the past in the past. So it is like after lots of conflicts, after lots of fights, after lots of ifs and buts, and after lots of toxicity and negativity, now this person is ready to start this connection all over again, and they want to have a forgiveness from your side so that you can give them a chance. Okay, Aries, you are very soft hearted people. I can see that you are going to forgive them, but you are never going to forget. This is the thing. Forgiving is different thing, but forgetting is different thing. So it's like you are going to forgive them, but you are never going to forget what is happening. Might be this is your free will if you want to give this person another chance or not, but yeah, all they want is a brand new beginning in this connection. This is all they want. This is all they feel. They are feeling intensely attracted towards you, physically attracted towards you. Let's see what to expect from this person till 31st of July, Aries. Four of Pentacles. Okay. So although this shit is going on in their energy, although they are feeling like they should ask for forgiveness from your side, they are feeling intensely attracted towards you. They are feeling like yes, they should have a brand new beginning with you. But you are going to expect what they are going to do till 31st of July, holding back. This is Four of Pentacles. I don't feel like they are coming towards you, even though they are dying to come towards you, even though they are just dying from inside to come towards you and talk to you. I don't see this person is coming towards you because basically this person is very, very mentally conflicted. They feel like they are having fear of rejection, that you might reject their offer, or you might reject them completely, that you don't want this person in your life and all that. That's why. So let's clarify the Four of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you, or as what you can expect from this person till 31st of July. Ten of Pentacles, King of Wands, Judgment again. So I feel like this person will try to focus on their business, on their job, on their money, and they will try to come towards you. They will try to communicate with you. They feel like they should communicate with you. I don't feel like they're coming to you and saying all this, but yes, they want to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to have a stable relationship with you, again non-committal, and they want to connect with you again on a passionate level, on a very passionate level. They want to explore new things with you. They want a reconciliation. The universe is shouting at me, yelling at me, and telling me that this person wants reconciliation, reconciliation, reconciliation. This is what they want. This is what you can expect. This is their inner feelings, but they're holding back. I feel like they will come towards you. Intuitively, I'm getting that this person will come towards you. They will ask for forgiveness, but again, they will be silent. Okay, again they will be silent because deep inside of them there is a feeling of I want my Aries back. I want this connection back, but they are not going to think about the past or the future. This is what they want, this is what they feel. So I hope it is this reading will give you some kind of clarification regarding your love life. Thank you so much for connecting. God bless you. Namaste. See you soon in August reading. Bye bye.